What's going on, guys? It's Sal Dragon back to you guys with another amazing YouTube video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be installing some super loud air horns on this here truck, and we've got a helper. So tell them what we're going to do today.
We're going to be taking the other horn out and putting two new horns.
Actually, we're not going to be taking any of the old horns out because they don't work right now. And these other horns are too big to go in their spot. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out that box right there, and we're going to put air horns in their place.
Yeah.
So let's get started. All right, guys, so what I've done is I've taken the cargo box off of the truck out of here. And I'm probably going to knock the flashlight over. I'm probably going to mount them in this corner somewhere because that's literally the only place I can mount them on here. I mean, it's crazy. But I'm going to figure out where I can put them to make them fit good and be able to, blare real loud. So let's go ahead and try that out. As I've got the compressor mounted now, I don't have the horns mounted just yet, but I will. I've got all my wires run through the relay and everything. Now I've just got to connect the connector to the compressor, and then I got to connect a switch to this, and they should work. So we're about to see if they work. Okay, guys, so I got it wired up, but it's a pretty weak horn.
Come on, guys.
Alright, guys, so I had to run the wires through the fender all the way down into where the door wires come in, and it runs straight out into the floor right here. And now we just got to figure out where the heck I want to put this button. I'd like to put it right there. So I think I am going to put it right there. Alright, guys, well, I've got everything run and wired up and all, and I got the button in the inside of the cab and all that. And, it's cool and all, but these horns are really disappointing because they are not very loud. Here, I'll show you what I mean. So here's where I put the button. Right here. It's just kind of lame. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please smash the crap out of the like button and subscribe. But I know I haven't been posting a lot recently. I haven't posted in like 3 months, I think. So yeah, within that 3 months, some things have changed. Actually, I didn't sell the Honda Civic. I actually traded it even for that truck I was just working on. And there'll be an introduction video for that soon. I don't know. But we also have some more projects, as you can see over there, hint. But everything is going to change on the channel. We're going to start posting more, and it's going to be freaking awesome. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and peace.